Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have t minus 3 square root divided by t minus 3 is equals to 3, and we solve this problem for all the values of t. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Then now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. So in the first method, we need to use here the nice algebraic formula. Here we first move the term t minus 3 to the right hand side, and it will be written as square root of t minus 3 is equals to, this will be written as 3 times of t minus 3. And now further in the next step, here we need to remove the square root sign. So for this we will apply scaling on both of the sides. So when we apply scaling, it will be written as in this form: the square of this term and the square of this term. These two and this square root are gone, and we will get here t minus 3 is equals to, here we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and we get here the square of 3 becomes 9 into t minus 3 and its whole square. And further in the next step, we need more simplifications, and we use here the nice algebraic formula into the right hand side. And you know about that, if we have a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. According to this nice formula, we write the right hand side of above equation as in this form. This is t minus 3 is equals to 9 times. We apply this formula here, it will be written as t square minus 2 times of t into 3 plus 3 square. And further here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as t minus 3 is equals to, here we multiply 9 on each of these values, and it will be written as 9 times of t square minus, this is this will be written as when we multiply 9 on these two values, we will get here 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54 times of 3, and plus this is 3 square becomes 9, and 9 times 9 becomes here 81. So here we move the terms from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as 9 times of t square minus 54t plus 81, and we move these two values, it will becomes minus t and plus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step, we need to add or subtract the like terms we have. This is 9t square minus 54t, and minus t becomes minus 55t, and 81 plus 3 becomes here 84, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So you see that this equation will becomes in quadratic form. So here we apply the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. For this we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are: a is equals to 9, b equals to minus 55, and c equals to 84. And we state the quadratic formula as t is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of AC divided by 2 times of A. This is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of A, B and C in this formula, and it will be written as in this form. This is t is equals to minus b, the value of b is minus 55, and plus minus square root of b square, b is minus 55 square, minus 4 times of a is 9, and c is 84, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 9. So further we have this will be written as minus time minus becomes plus 55 plus minus square root of, this is minus 55 square, and we know about that minus 55 square becomes 3025, minus when we multiply 4 times 9 times 84, so this will be written as 3024, and it is divided by 2 times 9 becomes here 18. Here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is 55 plus minus. We know that 3025 minus 3024 becomes 1, and square root of 1 is also becomes here 1, and it is divided by 18. And further in the next step, we need to break this into two cases. Here the first case is we write the positive value, it is 55 plus 1 divided by 18, and here in this case we write the negative term, it is 55 minus 1 is also divided by 18. And in the next step we have this is t is equals to 55 plus 1 becomes 56 divided by 2, and in this case we have t is equals to 55 minus 1 becomes 54 divided by 18. Sorry, in this case we also have this is 18. So we need to write this into the simplified form, and we cancel these with the table of 2. So we get here 2 times 2 becomes 4, and 2 times 8 becomes 16, and this is 2 times 9 becomes 18. So we get the value of first value of t is equals to 28 divided by 9, and in this case we easily get the value of t is equals to 3 because 18 times 3 becomes 54. So in the first method we get these are the two values of t, but now here in the next steps we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is t minus 3 square root divided by t minus 3 is equals to 3. So in this side we will be substitute t is equals to 28 divided by 9, and in this side we will be verify t is equals to 3. So here first we verify t is equals to 28 over 9. So when we put this value here, it will be written as 28 divided by 9 minus 3 square root divided by 28 divided by 9 minus 3, and we check that is this equals to 3 or not. So further here we need to take the LCM of this term, and this will be written as 28 minus 27 divided by 9 and its whole square root divided by, here again we take the LCM of this term and we get here 28 minus 27 divided by 9, and this is equals to 3. So in the next step we have 28 minus 27 becomes 1, and square root of 9 becomes 3 divided by 28 minus 27 is also becomes 9, and it is divided by 9 is equals to 3. And further here we move this value to the upside, and it will be written as 1 over 3 multiplied by 9 number 1 is equals to 3. So this is 3 times 3 becomes 9, and we easily get 3 is equals to 3. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value t is equals to 28 over 9 is satisfied our given question statement. And now here in the same pattern we verify the second value of t. When we put this value here, it will becomes 3 minus 3 square root divided by 3 minus 3 is equals to 3. So this will becomes here 0 over 0 form is equals to 3. So we know about that 0 over 0 form is usually called that it is indeterminate form. So if this is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined. If our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value t is equals to 3 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we called that t is equals to 3 be the extraneous root of the given equation. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is t equals to 28 over 9. This is the only one solution of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.